Who says cocktails are just for people who drink alcohol? Not anymore. Non-alcoholic drinks are the refreshing answer to the age-old "what's your drink" question. And trust me, they're way more fun than you think. Here's the deal. We've got 3 show-stopping non-alcoholic drinks that'll make your taste buds sing, all without the booze. First up, the Red, White, and Blueberry Blast. You've got a homemade blueberry simple syrup, a splash of non-alcoholic bourbon, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Shake it up, strain it over ice, and boom, summer in a glass. Garnish with a mint sprig because we're fancy like that. Next, an absolute classic made better. The Strawberry Margarita, no tequila needed. Fresh strawberry puree, non-alcoholic tequila, a touch of lime, and a dash of agave syrup. Shake it all up, strain it into a sugar-rimmed glass, and garnish with a lime wedge. Oh, and if you're feeling wild, throw it in a blender with ice for a frozen twist, because who doesn't love a slushie? And last but not least, the sparkling raspberry lemonade. Perfect for backyard barbecues or, just treating yourself after a long day. Fresh raspberries, a splash of lemon, honey for that natural sweetness, and fizzy sparkling water to tie it all together. Garnish with a plump raspberry, and that's it. Sweet, refreshing, and totally selfie-worthy. So there you go. Non-alcoholic drinks that are fun, flavorful, and oh so easy to make. Whether you're hosting or just sipping solo, these recipes prove that mocktails deserve a permanent place at the table. Want more recipes like these? Start your mixology journey with non-alcoholic drinks for dummies. Get the book today and elevate your sipping game. Cheers.